Good morning, children. We'll continue the class now. Now, next we are going to see page number 126 and it's grammar. We have seen kinds of sentences. And now, look at the pictures given below. Okay, arrange the jumble words that they have given. So, next we will see the Roman number 3. Frame as many sentences as possible from the situation substitution table given below. Okay, that is page number 127. So, we are continuing the class, children. That is kinds of sentences we saw. And now, many they have given. See, first in the first one they are given I, we, you, they. So those who have the book you can see easily. Then next is Samrita and Kavish given. In the next column, hate, prefer, like, love, enjoy, wish, dislike, prefers, enjoy, hates, like this. In many columns the words have given. You have to make a sentence in these words. That is, I love playing hockey and carom. Usually like that. You have to make a sentence with these words by each column. புரியுதா? ஒரு வேர்ட்லேருந்து ஒரு காலமில் ஒவ்வொரு வேர்டும் ஒவ்வொரு காலம்லேருந்து எடுத்து நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணணும்? சென்டென்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும். புரிஞ்சுதா? See for example, I hate playing football and table tennis every day. Okay, tennis generally. அந்த மாதிரி நீங்கள் வந்து ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணணும். புரிஞ்சுதா? ஸோ I'll just 5 examples I'll give you. You can write that in your notebook. Okay, that is Roman number 3, page number 127. Roman number 3. Okay. Now, okay. They have given I, we, you, they. Any word you can take. I you can take. We you can take. Okay. First one we'll see I. Okay. I. Then many words are there. I am taking wish. Okay. I wish. Next word is there? Playing. Then in the next one, playing, what is it? Basketball I can take, okay? Basketball. I wish playing basketball. And the next column, and. Okay? And in the next column, chess. Any words you can take and prepare a sentence and make a sentence, okay? Chase often. Like that I am going to give this 5 sentences. Okay, children? You understand like this what I said? Okay? Then second one, we love watching cricket and squash often. Okay. Then third, we prefer playing kabaddi and table tennis usually. Okay? Okay, children. Next, fourth one. I love coaching hockey. I love coaching hockey or table tennis generally. Okay. Then last one, Samrita. Names are given there. Okay. Samrita prefers watching Coco or fencing daily. Okay, this is it. Okay, children, take down in your class one. The next, fourth one, Roman number for this, Roman number 3. Next, we are going to see Roman number 4. Read the sentence, insert appropriate articles in the blanks and circle the noun phrases. So you have to write the correct article in the blank there, and you have to circle the noun phrase. Noun phrase nothing is a word or a group of words containing the noun. So what is noun phrases? It's a group word, or you can say group of words which contains a noun. Okay. Then the first one is I will take it down in the notebook, children. Take down neatly each and every time whatever I am giving you, take down in your notebook. Okay. That is Roman number 4. Read the sentence and insert appropriate articles. Okay. Articles. Articles in the blanks and circle the noun phrases. And circle the noun phrases. Now it's in the page number 127, children, Roman number 4. Read the sentence, insert appropriate articles in the blanks and circle the noun phrases. First one, okay. Sujata is reading. Sujata is reading an dash what you have written, an interesting story. Interesting story in the library. In the library. Now what will be the noun phrase here? Interesting story you have to draw there. Okay, there is a, you have to circle the noun phrase. Next, Vishal drew dash wonderful picture on the board yesterday. So in the dash what you will write? A. Then wonderful picture is a noun phrases. Wonderful picture is a noun phrases. You have to circle it. Then third, Srinath and Sandhya were bored at dash what? An awful concert. So awful concert you have to circle it. This is a noun phrases. Okay. Then fourth one, Suresh, Purvaja ate dash salad of raw vegetables for dinner. Ate a salad of raw vegetables. You have to circle it. So those who have the book, do this, children. Raw vegetables. Those who don't have the book, buy the book. Only then you can understand, children. Okay. Then Suresh was astonished to see dash the huge statue. Huge statue. Okay. Sixth one. The child was playing with a yellow balloon. So again, yellow balloon is a noun phrases. Do you understand this, children? Okay. So first one I have written like this. So now I think second, third and all you will understand how to do it. Okay. So in the dash you have to write this and circle the phrases. You have to circle it. Okay. Next. Next Roman number 5. Complete the dialogue. Let's see, I have finished this. Okay, I will take it down in this in your notebook, children. Did you understand it? Now next is complete the dialogue by using suitable adjectives in the blanks. Okay. Now, Sindhuja said, "Hi Venkat, hope you received the message about our school sports day." Venkat, yes. I was a dash one to control my name in the events. That is first dash is first. First one, that is Venkat. Okay. I was a dash one to enroll my name in the events. Enroll means to give the name in the events is a first. Okay. Then Sindhuja. So tell me, for how dash events have you enrolled? How dash events means many. Okay, Sindhuja is asking. Sindhuja is asking. So tell me, for how dash what will come? Many. How many events have you enrolled? In how many events have you given your name? Okay. Then Venkat said, I have enrolled myself only in a dash events means few events. Okay, few events. That is Venkat again. Then dash is a few events. Okay. Next, Sindhuja, what are they? Venkat said, as I am tall, I have given my name for dash, jump and running events. So if it's tall means what you can give? Yes, long jump. So Venkat, so in the what event he has given his name? For the long jump. Next, Sindhuja, that's dash to hear. So how will you say that's excellent to hear? Sindhuja is saying it is excellent to hear. Excellent to hear. Then Venkat, what about you, Sindhuja? Sindhuja said, I have decided to participate in dash the event. Participate in all the events, he said. So Sindhuja said, I'm going to participate in all the events. In all the events. Venkat said, hey, that's dash. Expecting the best from you. Hey, that is good, he said. Venkat said, that's good. Venkat said, that's good. Okay. Expecting the best from you. Sindhuja said, thank you so dash Venkat so much. Okay, everybody knows so much. You can thank you so much. So much Venkat. Wish you the same. Let's rock. Okay, Sindhuja said, thank you so much. Okay, children. Did you understand how I have written that? All the dash I have written. So first come Sindhuja is, hi Venkat, hope you received the message about a school sports day. Venkat said, yes, I was the first one to enroll my name in the event. So first, okay. Then Sindhuja, so tell me for how many events have you enrolled? How many events have you enrolled? Venkat said, I have enrolled myself only in a few events. Okay. Then Sindhuja, what are they? As I am tall, I have given my name for long jump. Who said? Venkat, long jump and running events. Sindhuja, that's excellent to hear, he is saying, she is saying. Then Venkat, what about you, Sindhuja? He asked. Sindhuja said, I have decided to participate in all the events. Then Venkat, hey, that's dash. That is good. Expecting the best from you. Sindhuja, thank you so much, Venkat. Wish you the same. Let's rock, okay? So by this we are... Okay, children, to start with this we are finishing this kinds of sentences. Okay, then we have finished kinds of sentences, that is declarative, interrogative, exclamatory and imperative sentences. Then we have framed as many sentences as possible, that is 5 sentences are given to you. Then you have to insert the appropriate articles in the blanks and circle the noun phrases we completed, and we have completed one dialogue also using the suitable adjectives. Okay, this is how with this we are finishing this, children. Thank you.